Tripowin and Bad Guy has officially released their new Kailua earphone. I said that last week when I announced it, it was coming out this week to be to become available for anyone to purchase. So it's now available for purchase. It's on linsoul.com. Look, this is another dual dynamic driver in-ear monitor. It does have a lot it can offer you in terms of the build structure. I like the build quality, especially the white version. I like the white version. Price tag is $80. I think last week I said it was going to be $70, $69. And the official price is $80 right now. So if you want to get it, it's here. It actually came on the store yesterday, so now you'll be able to get it. So this is another collaboration. Tripowin has been working with YouTuber and reviewer Bad Guy for several years now. They've worked on the Olina. The Olina is the most successful collaboration they've had together. This one is coming, at least this new Kailua earphone is coming with a new titanium coated DLC diaphragm. You also get a very solid build quality as well, and basically the performance on it is good. It's definitely going to be good enough and quality enough for a lot of people to enjoy their music with this. The other thing you look at is the fact it's coming with a high purity OCC copper cable. It's definitely going to be very much well suited for a lot of genre of music. But when you look at the graph, you see that there's even though it seems like he wants to make it a very neutral set, it seems like he elevated the bass a bit, and that's Bad Guy for you. He likes bass. He will try his best to give you bass, even though he wants a neutral revealing set. He will still try to make it fun enough for a lot of people to enjoy. That's why I like his tuning more than any other collaborations that are out there. It does have a decent cable, but I do not expect if you buy this you would want to use the cable. You might want to upgrade the cable and get something that is a lot better. But it's what it is. I think it's going to be a very good set overall for a lot of people to look at and consider. Right now, it's not too expensive, it's not crazy out of reach for most people. At $80, I think it's a figure that a lot of people will be able to hit. You know, earphones these days are very expensive, especially the ones that are much, at least the ones that have quality. You have to spend money to be able to buy them. But the only thing there is that if you do buy this earphone, you might have to upgrade the cable. You just have to upgrade the cable, but it looks good. It looks good. It will work well with any digital audio player that is out there. And that is it. That's the new Tripowin Kailua earphone. It's in partnership with Bad Guy. So that's it. Do check out in the description for where you can get it. If you're interested in it, do subscribe to the channel, do like our content. I'll see you guys very much next time.